Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a weekly plan with me in my Teresa Collins guided journal, and I want to use this Pastels Dashboard sticker book. I'm going to use the florals out of the Choose Happy Mini, and then I'm also going to be using maybe a couple different stickers or quotes out of this Rainbow Mega Sticker Book. So I went ahead and pre-chose some stickers here, and actually my quotes did come out of that Rainbow Mega Sticker Book. So I'm going to, of course, start with this side of the page. And what I thought I could do for this week, I'd like to have some washi to go down here, but I didn't think about that. So I'm going to take this I guess it's like a mint green color polka dot box and put down here. And then I was thinking I could layer this sticker on top. This says, "Do what makes your soul shine." So that's cute like that. I think it's crooked. Okay, and then I was thinking that I could take and put happy plans down here at the bottom just to maybe kind of journal in. So should I put it, I'm not going to put it all the way at the bottom, we'll just put it close. Okay, and actually hold on, I'm going to move that up. Change of plans. I'm going to move that up a little because I want to put this is one of the flowers out of the Choose Happy sticker book, and they match these stickers that came out of this Pastels book. They match it really well. So I do want to take this little flower and put down here in the corner, and then I will put my Happy Plans box down here. Let's see if that'll work out. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, so now I want to take this sticker that says "Be kind to you," and it's got some silver foil in it, and then I think I'm going to take some of these florals here, if I can get them off the page. And these florals are not very sticky, and I thought I could just kind of put them together with this quote. So yeah, that's cute. And then I also have this sticker that says "Joy." So I think I'll put it over here. And then maybe take this sticker. Now I don't know if I should. Yeah, I'm just going to do it. I thought about doing it kind of as a cluster over here, but I don't like the way that looks. So we're just going to do that. Now that's pretty. And then my desk is making that squeaky noise. I'm sorry. I am going to need some boxes and things to go over here. So let's see what I can find. There was one sticker in here that I thought I might use. I think it was in here. I looked at so many different sticker books. It might not have been. Here it is. Dream Big. I like this one. Or do I want "The future depends on what you do today"? That one matches better. So let's put this one back. I like this one. And we can put that right up here. Doesn't exactly have to be at the top. For this week, I did not do a very good job of writing on this page in my guided journal. So I'm going to just try to improvise a little bit and not leave myself as much writing room. Now let's see if I can find some stickers in this sticker book to match that I can just kind of use. Actually, I think there's better matching stickers in my regular colorful boxes, because I can just put a couple boxes in here and put like a goal of the week or something like that in these boxes. So does this match? It matches pretty well. So I can put that like right here. And then actually I'm going to move this over some and put a floral beside it, another flower, maybe if I can find one. And then let's find a purple one to go up here. Kind of like this bigger one here. And it matches pretty well too. So we can kind of put this one is, I must have tried to use it one time and put it back. I changed my mind and I didn't put it exactly on the page, so it stuck to the paper beside it. So yeah, that's pretty cute. And then I can just put a flower here and maybe a flower there. Let's see what I can find. I don't have a whole lot left, and I do want to save this one to go on my other page. And now these have rose gold in them, and I don't want to use that because that is not going to match. So I can use this. I could put it, I think I'll cut it in half and use it on both boxes. So I'm just going to cut it kind of down the center. And then we'll put this little piece up here. And this piece we'll put over here. But there's a little bit too much flower, so I'm going to cut this little piece off that's stuck here on the edge. Or not stuck, but sticking out on the edge here. I'm just going to trim it off. Okay. There, see how cute that is? And that did not take long. I dropped my little piece down here. I gotta get it up. Okay. And then now we're gonna go to this page. And I'm just gonna take, all I'm gonna do on this page is put this floral up in the corner and then do my word of the week. And this page will be done. So we're going to put this here. And then I did grab these circle stickers, but I guess I'm not going to use them. And I'm just going to put my word of the week up here. So I think this spread will be done. I will try to link some of my other journal plan with me's so that you guys can get an idea of how I use my guided journals. And hopefully y'all are enjoying yours. I know that I enjoy mine. I like just sitting down at night and putting some stickers on my spreads and decorating for each day. So I have no idea where this goes. So I'm going to stick it right in here until I get done with this video. Then I'll figure out where it goes. But here is my guided journal spread for this week. And hopefully y'all will give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.